Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Photoleap app on your iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you do that, go ahead and look for the search option, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on search bar from the top, then type in Photoleap and tap on search. Once you do that, on the screen you'll find Photoleap AI Art Photo Editor. Tap on it. Now right beside its icon you'll see one of these two options, get or backup. Tap on it, then provide the necessary details asked by the App Store. Then you'll successfully download Photoleap app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.